Hey party people, Techno here again back at the Sans Holiday Hack Challenge 2022. In the previous Hack Challenge video, we helped Jill underpoll with some basic AWS commands and configuration, and for that Jill shared with us some hints about our next challenge, which is going to be to use a tool called TruffleHog to sniff out some AWS secrets that are stored in a GitLab repo. And we can see if we go into our badge, the TruffleHog Search challenge is 2 Christmas trees out of 5, so still a pretty basic challenge. Honestly, this is a quite easy challenge. I wouldn't say it's really any more difficult than the one we previously did. But reading this, it states that we are to use TruffleHog to find secrets in a Git repo, work with Jill Underpoll in the Cloud Ring for hints, and then we want to know what the file name that has the AWS credentials is. So if you were doing this for the first time, there would be a text entry box here for you to put that file name in and run a check against your answer to solve this challenge. And we also have a couple hints about this, so let's go ahead and take a look at those. We have 2. The first one is TruffleHog tool, and this is really just giving us the syntax for running TruffleHog in the manner that we're going to need to run it. And then we have also this hint, check out old commits, which states that if we want to look at older code commits with Git, we can do a git checkout and then put the commit number after that git checkout. Not really sure why this hint's very relevant to this challenge. TruffleHog's going to show us everything that we need to see to solve this challenge, and we did see the git checkout as part of the process whenever we solved the Jolly CI/CD challenge, but yeah, not entirely sure why that's relevant here, but in any case, we do have that hint. So one last thing that we're going to take a look at here is we're going to climb up to the next level of this cloud producing machinery. And we're going to speak with Gertie Snowborough, because Gertie is going to give us the link to the code repo that we need to run TruffleHog against. So you can see here that when we initially speak to Gertie, she states, I'm Gertie Snowborough, if you need to know. And not that I should be telling you, but I'm trying to figure out what Alabaster Snowball's done this time. Word is he committed some secrets to a code repo. And then we have this link that takes us to hogfactory.com/orgadmin/AWS_scripts. And this is exactly the GitLab repo that we're going to need to run TruffleHog against. Another interesting thing about this challenge is that there isn't really any terminal for us to work with in here. So kind of like how we were working with the PCAPs, we're actually going to have to do this outside of the game itself. So for that, I'm going to switch over to a virtual machine that I have running Kali Linux. Here I have the TruffleHog GitHub page up to take a look at, just to show you can go to GitHub and get TruffleHog. This is also going to have a bunch of documentation about how to use the tool. But if you are running Kali Linux, this is as simple as issuing a sudo apt-get install TruffleHog to get yourself up and running. So I already have that installed. And the next thing that we would do is simply, as the hint showed us, or as the GitHub documentation for TruffleHog would show us, is run that command as TruffleHog and against that GitLab repo at hogfactory.com. And when we do this, this is going to produce a bunch of output for us. And we can see that we did, in fact, pull back a bunch of AWS secret access keys. And if we look through the output here, we're going to continually see that the file path for this output is stated as put_policy.py. And as we scroll, that is true in each case, and we see those secret keys. So the file name that we're after to solve this challenge is put_policy.py. That's what you would drop in your badge and submit to solve this challenge, get that answer, and really, that's all there is to it. Simple as that. So that is the TruffleHog Search challenge for the Sans Holiday Hack Challenge 2022. And in the next video, we will be tackling the final challenge of the Cloud Ring Room, and that is exploitation via AWS CLI. And this is going to be a 3 Christmas trees out of 5, so medium difficulty challenge. And everything that we've been doing in this room up to this point is setting us up basically for this next challenge. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. And until then, thank you for watching, everybody. Truly appreciate it. Take care. I will talk to you later.